Hey, this is Slap Out Lash Girl Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please like and subscribe. I would love to have you come and hang out with me on Sundays. And today we're going to learn how to do the under eye look that you see. I really do love it. I do. And I'm excited to share the products that I used under my eyes. I just think it's very, Wayne is very smart. This is a Wayne Goss thing. And I watched it. I did it on ladies' night, and I've been continuing to do it ever since. And it's worked out all day, stays in place, no problems. So, don't you want that too? Yes, you do. So, come on with me and let's learn how to do it. Now, it's 61. I'm almost 62. Next month, I'll be 62, September. But my under eyes have really improved since I've gotten this product. And I use it every single day. I use it morning and night. And it really does help my unders. This is it right here. This is called the dew effect. It really does help all these fine lines under here to plump up. And listen, over time, it really does help your under eyes. I'm telling you, it does. It's got hyaluronic acid in it. I'll kind of list everything down here that it has. I absolutely adore it. And I use it every single day. Like I said, I wash my face at night and then I go and I put that on. And in the morning time, I don't have that puffiness anymore. Bing! Which really does help when you're trying to get ready for work. It really does. So I've already got this on. You're going to have to let it set for 10 minutes. So allow 10 minutes of your life in the morning time or night, whenever you're doing it. And before you put on your, under your eye concealer, because it's really important that you let it sit. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. I'm going to try Wayne's. I did it the other night and it worked perfectly, so I want to do it here for you. Maybe you don't watch me on Facebook, Younique by Melissa. I'm there on Thursday nights. We do Ladies Night. So on Ladies Night, I try to do something fun that I haven't done before. So I have never done this before, and we are going to use Kosas. We're going to use this. I used Kosas the other night, but it was a little lighter color. And I really think this color is going to be better. I don't like for it to be really light because I don't have my Laura Mercier loose powder, which is what I would prefer to use to do this with. But I'm going to use this one here. This one here is our wonderful It's. You see it? And it's loose, but it is light, and so I'm going to be real sparingly with it. But go ahead, let's get this done. I'm ready. My under eyes are ready now. I can touch it and it just feels soft and there's nothing coming off on my fingers. So we're ready to do this. Now, grab your concealer, whatever you have, and then grab you some loose powder. That's all we gotta have, honestly. And this is a very nice little doe foot. It's small, it's not too big, it's very soft. I like it. And what we're going to do is dip it down into the powder. So let's dip it down into the powder. You don't want to get much, just a little bit, he said, on the end there. There we go. And supposedly this is going to help it stay on. We'll see. So I'm going to put it here. That's where he put it. He put it here. He actually went all the way around, basically, is what he did. I really not liking putting something there where that bag is, but we're going with it. We're going with it. Now I'm going to dip it down in there one more time because I don't get a whole lot. It's just right there on the end of it, right there. And here in Alabama, today's beautiful. By the way, it's here. But we're going to run back into the hot weather. Yeah, I'm not looking forward to that. I have enjoyed this early fall that we've just had, and it's going to go away next week. I hate that. I really do. All right. I love to let it set for a few minutes, just adhere to my face before I try to blend it out. And so that's what we're going to do. I'm going to let it settle, maybe, 4 or 5 minutes, something like that. Let it adhere. And then we're going to come back and we're going to use one of these because that's what he used to do his. He dabbed it. And this is not wet. It's dry. Okay. So let's let this settle and I'll come back and we'll blend it out. Alrighty, I went ahead and did my lips off camera because we're not about talking about lips today, but it is a pretty lip look. I love it. And I will put the information for that down below. But let's grab this baby. Now, you can use whatever end you want to. I really kind of like this end here. It's just a little bit easier for me. And so we're just going to do what he did. And we're just going to kind of blot it in. And make sure you get it into your skin really well. And supposedly this is going to last all day. You know me, I like to do things with my fingers also. So I definitely will come back and do that once I get it blended out. Just don't use too much. And sometimes I can get heavy-handed with my concealer, and I don't mean to, but sometimes in a hurry, trying to get off to work, and sometimes that just happens. It does. Oh, I love it. Oh, wow. Okay, so I have my magnifying mirror here. Let me see. Oh, that looks really good. Now, ring finger. And so he did. I think he came back and did actually use his fingers because you don't want anything settling. So just make sure you don't swipe it. Just push, dab, 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 dab like that. And it's pushing it into your skin. Now, he did use a little bit of powder at the end. So I'm going to say, and I did it the other day and I wore it to work and it did. It really stayed all day. It was pretty incredible. So Wayne, is smart. I'm not as smart as Wayne. But you know what I'm saying. It works. It works. All right, let's do see I use this side, so I'm gonna come on this side and just get the teeny tiniest bit of powder. I guess you could use a brush if you want to, but I'm just gonna try to get it on here. I don't want much. That's what he said come back and do. Put a little bit of powder over it, but not much. That's not much. I even kind of pushed it in. And so what I'm going to do is just kind of press it through here. Just kind of go up and down. And then, of course, I got the concealer all the way out. Now let's touch it. Oh, wow. I mean, I didn't do a color corrector. I probably should have. I don't sleep good anymore. Let's put a tiny bit on this side. I do have a new topper, though, on my bed. It's wonderful. I got rid of the old one. And I actually sleeping better though now. So maybe I will not have these bags. Because I would wake up in the middle of the night and just go, geez, I don't like this. I could not sleep. You hear my dog. They're not happy because they're not in here. Oh my goodness, that looks so good. Wayne's so smart. Okay. That's really, really nice. Really, really nice. Now I'm going to let it settle. I'm going to go finish up whatever's left on my face to do, and then we'll come back and we'll take a look at it again and see how it's settled in. Oh my goodness. I love this look. Wow. And my under eyes look absolutely great. They're touchable. They're not sticky or tacky, and there's nothing settling into my lines. I mean, it's amazing. Wayne's amazing. Yes, he is. Now, we're going to use some Revolution Dewy Finish Fix and Glow. If you've never seen this before, isn't that just beautiful running around in there? It's golden goddess of good is what I call it. So it really is. But I take my beauty blender and I just kind of spray it. And then y'all seen me do this before if you've watched me any amount of time. This is one of my favorite products. And the reason is because it gives you a nice little shine without you having to come back and add something else onto your face. And it actually is setting your makeup. So that's one of the key elements for me. And that's why I like it. But, I usually only put it where the T-zone is. Because that's where everything really kind of breaks down. You see how it gives that shine? And once it dries, it's going to be beautiful all day. Yes, ma'am. It will. I've tested out here in Alabama. So, in the heat. And it really does help. I really do like it. And then I usually finish off with just using a little bit of this priming set by Younique. This one's almost empty. I have a brand new one that I ordered. Oh, it feels so good. It's a fine mist that just falls over your face. And it really does set everything pretty nicely. Okay, guys, what do you think? I really love it. That feels so good under my eyes. Now, I'll put everything that I've used, even products that you didn't see me use, okay? And I will put the dew effect in here. I will put all the stuff that I've used today. I think you'll love it. Yes, I do. So please like and share and click that notification bell. I am here on Sundays, and I would love to have you come hang out with me on Sundays. Hopefully soon, I will be able to do more coming up. I'll be 62 soon. It's good or bad. I don't know. I guess it's good. Still here. But however, I just want to be the best I can be at my age. And I want you to feel that same way. Okay. So come back. We'll do more tips and tricks. I'm here on Sundays right now only. So, but come back. I would love to have you here. And I will see you then. See you later.